video demonstrates my output of my project, a novel approach for rectification of data aggregation scheme for multiple application wireless sensor network. Here we are having on one base station. You can't choose more than one base station. Similarly, you can have only one main aggregator, and we can have n number of sub aggregators, and we have to give some name for the sub aggregators. Here we are considering two sub aggregators. Similarly, we can have n number of sensor nodes. Based upon the sensor nodes, the number of sensor nodes, the time taken will be taken into consideration. Here we are having a temperature collector. And one smoke detector. After this, the base station will generate and send keys. Here different sensor nodes will be having a different group public key. Here we can see that. After that, the aggregator will be sending an information. Here we have to choose the aggregator in which we are going to include it, and we have to click add cluster. After that, we have to give the reading for sensor nodes, encrypt data, then we have to send the datas. Similarly, here we have to give unencrypted and send the data. Here we have to aggregate it. The aggregated information will be sent over here. Similarly, we can have we are eliminating the forge node by choosing that, and fake data will be produced. Here the fake data will be indicated over here through this. This will not be included in an aggregation, and this aggregated information will be sent. And we are aggregating. This is the main aggregator which is responsible for aggregating this, and this information will be sent over here. And we are getting the encrypted results. We can see the sensor information, which is very helpful in detecting a fake node. Here we are having only one temperature collector and smoke detector. Here we can encrypt. If it's above, here the maximum value is 24. If here maximum value, if it's below, we can send an indication. Then indicate. The alarm will be generated over here.